Welcome to MIRG, the first nationwide municipal financial comparison tool. It's easy to get started, easy to run reports, and easy to compare your municipality against others like it. To get started, sign up for free. In order to get started, simply create your account. Your password must be at least 8 characters, have one upper, one lowercase, and one number. You can either create an account as a municipal contributor or as a consultant who just wants to run reports on information already in the database. If you're a municipal contributor, you'll choose your municipality. From here, you can submit and view your data. This will take you to the screen where you can begin entering your information. You'll simply go through and input the information, and if you've submitted a copy of your budget with your financial indicators, our staff can go in and verify the information that you've entered, and you can become a verified partner, qualifying you for a discount on your subscription. Once your subscription is set up and ready to go, you're ready to start generating reports. Depending on the fiscal year that you choose, there will be more or less information depending on how many municipalities were participating at that time. You may need to run several reports to get the most data. Select the municipalities that you'd like to compare yourself to, add those to the report. Choose the data point that you're interested in comparing and create the report. From here, it's going to give you all of the information on each financial indicator for each of the municipalities. The data point that you chose to filter your results by is going to show up in red and is going to be filtered from smallest to largest. Once you have your report, you can download it to your computer as a PDF or as a CSV in order to further filter the results. You now have a report that's ready to print and distribute as needed within your municipality.